Welcome back. A three-member central team will be visiting the city Eluru tomorrow to take stock of the mysterious affliction that is spreading in Andhra Pradesh. Meanwhile, former Chief Minister of the state, Chandrababu Naidu, has attacked the ruling YSRCP government over what he claims is mismanagement and failure to contain the situation. Listen in.
This very unfortunate incident, what happened because of water contamination and also sanitation problems, it has come. Root cause we have to establish in the near future, but at the same time, the systems, maintenance regarding to sanitation and also how to give quality water, all these things, they are unable to do it. And at the same time, for the last so many days, they are not paying money for outsourcing employees of sanitation. It is also very bad. Even we have to, even recent past during COVID time, in Guntur, they have given bleaching powder. That too, they are given on contract on monopoly. All bleaching powder is adulterated. It is only limestone. Limestone, they, in the name of bleaching powder, limestone they spread. Even people red-handedly caught and they revolted. No action has been taken. Even today, people are having doubts regarding this government. Failure of sanitation, failure of giving quality water and other reasons. It is happening. Immediately, I demand the government, you have to go to field level and sanitation drive you have to do. And at the same time, even quality of water you have to provide. And also you have to declare health emergency in Eluru and you have to bring normalcy. And at the same time, this type of incidents should not repeat in Andhra Pradesh.
So as many as 450 people plus have been hospitalized already with this affliction with symptoms of nausea and epilepsy-like symptoms. While most of them are getting discharged, one of them has already succumbed. Now the centre has stepped in. MOS Home G. Kishan Reddy spoke to the Andhra Pradesh Chief Secretary and now a three-member team is also going to visit. My colleague Aneri is joining us with the latest. Tell us more.
Well, that's right, Shivani. Now, the total number of cases have been reported in this mysterious disease is nearly 470 people and nearly 240 people have been discharged as well. But one person has succumbed. As per the latest update, this is the number which we are learning from the Commissioner of Andhra Pradesh, Health Commissioner of Andhra Pradesh. But at the same time, we also have been seeing the number rising in the last 2 days because we still do not know the reason behind this. And also at the same time, we saw the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, visiting the hospital in Eluru district and also speaking to the family members and also extending all its support from the government and also asking the health officials and the officials concerned in the health department to make sure that every arrangement is being made so that no citizen faces any kind of problem. And also at the same time, we have been seeing a report from the district collector which states that this is not spreading from one person to other person. So that is there we see some kind of respite, but still the cause of concern is majorly because the disease is mysterious. We do not know what is the reason, what kind of disease it is and why is this happening all of a sudden. Well, according to the report which we have got from the district collector also states that nearly 22 fresh water samples were sent for testing and everything seems to be normal, and also 10 samples have been sent to CCMB Hyderabad for a molecular analysis. Further details are yet to be awaited because the health minister also stated that it would take nearly 3 to 4 days for a report to come in this matter because the disease is mysterious. Well, now the TDP, now the politics have already begun in this matter. We saw the TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu hitting out at the government, stating that the government has not provided any kind of clean water, sanitation drives have not been taken up, and also the government should take care of all this. Where is the government? What is the government doing? The YSRCP government in the state of Andhra Pradesh is behaving very normally in this matter, and so they have to take some kind of strict action so that we do not see further spread of this virus.
Absolutely.
But we are still
Well,
yet to know
politics
what
at
is
this time perhaps can hold for a little bit because everyone is trying their best to figure out exactly what is going on. Aneri, thanks a lot for joining us for the meantime.